Computer science videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to merge cells and then add a title into Microsoft Excel on a Mac computer. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer, the application, Mac Office, Microsoft Excel. So we're going to start this tutorial. Let's now go all the way down to the dock. Go to Launchpad, go to Mac Office, go to Microsoft Excel. Wait for that to load, click on blank workbook. Now increase the size of the application window. Let's now increase the cell size. We have merged cells together in the previous tutorial. You can watch that video before you come back to this. Now let's merge a few cells together. Merge and center. Now let's write a title within these cells. Computer Science Videos, that's the title. Let's now format this. Center, increase the text size. Let's maybe change the color inside. Let's just leave it the way it is, and so Command S to save on the desktop, and that's how you merge cells together and add a title within the Excel file on a Mac computer. Quit Excel, and so that's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now. Thank you for making it towards the end of the video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. Be sure to check out the previous video on screen now, or you can ideally click on the playlist and watch all the journey for Computer Science videos from the start until now.